In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up an Employer Center account on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll have your basic account created and be ready to start managing your company's presence on the platform. First, let's get started by going to the right place. Open your browser and head to glassdoor.com/employers. This is important because it takes you directly to Glassdoor's area for businesses, not the regular job seeker side of the site. If you accidentally land on the main Glassdoor homepage, just look for a link or button that mentions for employers and click that to get to the same spot. Once you're on the employer section of Glassdoor, you'll see options geared toward companies like posting jobs or managing reviews. Here, look for the option to create a new account. You should see a sign up button, usually near the top right of the page or prominently in the main content area. Go ahead and click sign up. This tells Glassdoor you want to create an employer account, not log into an existing one. After you click sign up, you'll be taken to a simple form where you begin creating your account. One of the very first things Glassdoor will ask you for is your email address. This should be an email you actually have access to, since Glassdoor may send verification links or important updates there. If possible, use a work email associated with your company rather than a personal email. That can make it easier later when Glassdoor verifies that you're truly connected to the employer you're trying to manage. In the email field, carefully type in your address. Take a second to double check the spelling. A small typo here, like a missing letter or an extra period, can mean you never receive confirmation emails or password reset links. It's worth pausing to make sure it's correct before moving on. Once your email is entered and you've confirmed it looks right, you're ready for the next step. On the page, you'll see a Continue button. Go ahead and click Continue. This tells Glassdoor to accept the email you've provided and move you forward in the sign-up process. After you click Continue, Glassdoor may prompt you to complete the rest of your account details, verify your email, or connect your profile to a specific company. Those follow-up steps can vary slightly over time as Glassdoor updates their workflow, but everything starts with what you've just done. Going to the employer section, choosing to sign up, entering your email, and clicking Continue. To quickly recap what we covered, you navigated to glassdoor.com/employers, clicked the sign up option, entered a valid email address you can access, and then clicked Continue to move forward with creating your Employer Center account. From here, you can follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting up your profile, claim your company, and start managing your employer brand on Glassdoor. That's all you need for this initial setup. You're now at the starting point for building out your company's presence and engaging with potential candidates on Glassdoor.